see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. Walk into the car and you take my hand. Your hand is shaking now, but you ask me for a dance. Can I have a chance? Music's playing loud from the party outside.
Dito na yung mga boys. Tsaka si Holly. Tapos na ako doon. Lilinisin ko lang yung kalat ng konti doon. And nilabas ko yung laptop dito kasi ang hina ng internet. My God. Hala, 8% pa lang. Nilabas ko. Naka-connect siya dun sa phone ko. And ayun na sila. It's hot yan. Nakita agad ni Kuya yung Maggi Savor. Favorite to ni Kuya isabaw, ilagay lang sa, iulam. Kaya tinatago ko yan sa kanya, nakita niya. So, ayan na pala itsura ng ating kusina dito sa cabin. Ayan na yung ating mga condiments. And, meron ako dito apple cinnamon kayo dyan. Kainin daw niya mamaya. Eto hindi ko nilagay sarap. Yung isa linagay ko. Kasi bukas para sa mga girls. Eto naman, kay Holly. Request yun ni Holly. Tapos, ayan yung iba. What's that? Yours, yeah.
Is it the pink one?
Yes, yeah.
Dad.
And dito ko lang to nilagay. Then yung... close that side.
No, it's not.
What?
I love you. You know?
Huh? You love me?
No. Stop.
Dito yung aking mga sandals. Dalawa lang naman.
Luigi sandals.
Louis. Hindi. Ayan, yung white. I love white.
Are you sleeping on the bottom? I'm sleeping here, Dad. Where are you?
Ito yung ref. Andito yung isang cheesecake and then yung custard cake. Eh, may dala ko ditong ano.
Hello, and that looks like hot top.
Puno ka talaga ng, I want to say, sugar plums. Masarap to guys na sugar plums. Tapos ito yung
Hi.
cherry. Ayan, kumain sila. Tapos dito nila linagay yung buto. Alisin ko na nga to. Tapos yung cherry nasa isang bag. Okay, wait lang guys. Wait. Ayan yung cherry. Hinugasan ko na itong cherry para easy na lang sa kanila. Lahat to hugas na. Ayan cherry. Ang mahal ng cherry. This is worth $16.80. So parang $17. Pero ang sarap. Pinag-aagawa na nila si Arlo matulog sa kanila. As if naman makikitulog sa kanila si Arlo. Malinis na. Diba? Kaya ako ng cherry. Doon ako sa labas kasi yung aking ina-upload. Bantayan ko. Pag dito sa loob wala. Ang hina-hina. Ayan na yung soft ice cream. Pini dyan. Mga 10 minutes alis na kami. Nakuha ko kay Holly yung charger dito sa phone. Kasi malulubat na siya. Ang init. Hindi siya maaraw pero mainit pa. Ayan yung cherry nandito. Kain tayo ng cherry guys. Fountain po. Ayan, jet ski. Kasi muna kami. Iniwan ko yung phone doon. Kasi nag-upload. Yun ko nga, mag-hold kayo dyan. How's the water?
It's
good.
nice.
It's no, it's actually nice.
Yeah, it's really.
Is it cold water?
No, it's like warm.
Okay.
Have we been in one of them?
What?
Them ones?
No. We're always here or that side. Kaya tayo ni Jan, ay ni Janice akong try na kami
Did
dito
you
sa
see that
labas.
kid there, Dad?
Where?
Right there in front of me?
Yeah.
He was doing a Manu thing.
Huh?
So he saw him doing it, so Zach just went in front of him and started doing it. Mine was bigger. He's playing cricket, I'll bowl him out.
Oh, exactly.
Oh no, I wish it was sunny.
What happened to Big Forehand?
Discovery bought them all out.
Ayan, ang daming nagsiswimming.
Oh, now there's packed in there.
Why? Before wasn't?
Otherwise,
there's a
it gets
few.
packed through. Plus
Yeah, 3 or 4. What time they close? 7 or 8? 7? 8.
It's 30 degrees.
8 o'clock magsasara yung pool. Where's Tad staying? All the way down?
No,
Where?
he's like
Middle?
kinda. Yeah, kinda.
Stay here too?
Yeah. Wait, so Dad, are they gonna be in the same one or?
Don't know. Write it out quick, Ollie.
Okay. Ready?
Go.
Yeah.
31182.
Hush.
Good rating, Holly.
Where he's gonna park on?
There or there.
Ang
Wait, so
layo, no?
should we just bring our car out in
Yeah.
so that we can put all their stuff in?
Yeah. You have to do it in the morning.
Not
Early in
with you.
No, I'm just gonna go walk.
Yeah. We can
Oh,
leave
no.
at the same time, but
Yeah, I'm just gonna
I'm
run.
running.
I'm just gonna walk.
Let's drop the shoes.
35
We need to
degrees
buy
outside.
sunscreen.
Yes. And si Kuya, nagtanong sa akin, huwag ko raw kalimutan yung bigas. Sabi ko,
Look,
nagdala
there's
na ako,
shopping
Kuya. Huwag ka
centres right there. Look
mag-alala.
at the jumps. Are you going tomorrow, Mum?
Where? Yeah. I'm gonna walk. Are they here?
No, they lied to me.
Oh, dito tayo sa Woolies shopping.
Oh,
Do they
so
have
it's
calls,
Wool-
huh?
no, they
No
do.
calls.
It's Woolworths
Just,
and
yeah.
Coles.
No, do they have calls, huh? I don't think so.
Swear it was.
No, only Woolies. They don't have calls here. I think. I'm not sure. But
No,
dito kami
there's
lagi
a Coles
nag-grocery.
right
Where, Zach?
Can you not see the ring?
No, that's not.
That's not. You're full of.
I'm not full of.
Of course, that's like, huh?
Not that one.
Inis na ko dito sa pangalawa kong anak. Lagi akong inaasar. Gigil na ni.
These one Sprites. Spirit.
Magagamit natin yung ating bag kasi empty na siya. Parang na lang. Siguro pag tumangkad pa to,
But I'm taller than her. Look. No, but look at her shoes.
what's wrong with
Take
my...
your shoes off.
No.
Yeah, see?
Medyo parang pantay na kami. I think we're even.
No. Because look, she's got shoes that thick.
I know, so you're gonna be taller than mommy, but...
No, but we're same size height now. I remember I was.
Yeah, you were like that. Where's
that
Daddy?
hot?
I know, it's hot.
See, now he's late and we're like,
Wow.
we just went.
Buti to sumasa si Kuya talaga, may lap na siya sa camera. Ito okay pa to. Kaya, pagsawaan niyo ng mukha niya.
And over there.
Hmm?
We got that sports power here.
Sports
Oh, the
power.
reject shot. Let's get the pickles one.
Pasok daw siya dito sa Reject Shop. Oh, this is good. The hard candies. I like this. Masarap. Parang sa mga taga Bicol, kalasa niya yung dilimon natin. Dilimon, yung bilog-bilog. Sino nakaka-relate dyan sa Bicol? Yung dilimon. Yung bilog. Gusto ko nito. Kaso wala akong nakay dyan. Wala akong dala. Later, balikan ko to. Ito, tsaka to. Masarap yun.
This is the American roll, I think.
I'm not sure.
Oh no, that's Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, that's same as what we getting. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. This is where we got your feet.
Here, last year.
One for sickness. Let's look for birthdays. I think they're on the outside, don't they?
Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung kalasa ng gilimon, pag kinakain ko yan, naalala ko yung kabataan, yung maliit pa ako. Yeah. I like the, later, Han. I like the lollies, the hard lollies. The hard lollies, the fruity lollies.
In the jar.
Yeah. Huh?
They're just like too.
Oh yeah, they're Baker's Delight. Nakalimutan ko, meron pala guys. No, that was in Yamba pala, babe. Babe, Yamba they don't. Okay. Okay. Kasi dyan ang antibiotics kasi nagpabunod siya ng ipin the other day. And then medyo masakit daw. So, bumalik siya sa dentist niya. Inisyon siya ng prescription ng antibiotics. Kaman ka? Oh yeah. So, mayroon palang Baker's Delight dito. Doon sa Yamba, ang walang Baker's Delight. Kung alala niyo. Na, dito na tayo. We're gonna get water. Ay, hindi ko dala yung yung magnet. Kuha ako ng corn. Zach, I want corn. Please.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Oh, pili siya. Doesn't matter.
More green and so.
Okay. And then can you grab your bag na, please? Just this much, okay.
They're coming now.
Okay, are they here? Alright. And I think that's it for my pancit.
I don't like.
You don't like the red one?
Yeah. Tastes like.
Then, garlic stock. Where's the garlic? No, garlic. I need garlic. Yeah, that's it. That one. For my pancit. I need garlic. Water. What microwave? The... Should be in the bread. There. Oh.
And peanut butter.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, just...
What?
No, because we're not gonna cook that one. This is for my... Ano ba? That's a lobster. Say hi to my vlog, kuya. Kuha siya ng ano niya, favorite niyang biscuit. Oh, garlic sauce. Water sauce. Careful. Yeah. Sabi ni Zach, kumaka pang isa, naka-half price yun. Yung grab one. Gusto niya yung Indomie.
It's not in my tape. I don't find my thing.
I'm gonna make pancit.
Not now. No.
Yeah. I'm gonna make pancit. Yeah. Watch out. Where's the meat, Han? It's alright. Kuha lang ako ng pork. Para sa ating pancit. Naman yung pork. Ang laki. Wala sila yung tulad sa Coles. Ang laki naman yan. Wala ba ditong nahiwa na at least? Lumabas ako guys. Pumunta ako dun sa butcher para mag-ask kung meron silang pork. Meron daw silang pork belly. Pero wala sila yung hinahanap kong pork na tenderloin. Kasi ang laki nun. Sobrang laki talaga. Pang gisa ko lang naman sa sa pansit andun yung mag-amak ko. They don't have it. Yeah. I'm not sure, yeah. Try it.
Ma, I got one.
Eggs, hon? Eggs? Did you get eggs? You get butter, Bev? Sabi niya, nakamoy daw siyang kilikili. Parang sabi, oo nga, amoy. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kung nakuhaan ko yung nagsalita si Jan ng I need a tray hand for my big lobster. Marami. What's that one? This one? Sa next grocery ko daw, pagbalik namin ko hangkot yan ito. Yung YoPro Perform Protein.
These are good as.
Come on, get what you...
Dad, these would be good.
Try. Try and make sure you eat it. Yeah, Milo. Get the round one, hon.
No, these are better.
Alright, okay. Okay, just make sure you're gonna eat it. Just have this one first, and then.
Take it home.
Some more yogurt.
Take it home.
Alright, Daddy said get one. Maybe the other kids wants it. A small and just a small.
You got Vegemite?
No, it didn't bring us.
Got this one here. That's not big.
That's too big, Han. Just get the
Take it
little.
home. We've got nearly out of
I
time.
have.
At home?
Yes, I do have.
These?
Ingay.
That's what we got in plain. We got these in plain one.
What's that? Si Kuya. Kuya, you're getting all the unhealthy.
That's tight.
Yeah, it's unhealthy. Si Kuya matangkad na sa akin, guys.
Do you think it's pretty good?
Yeah, the strawberry one. Get
I'll own that like Oreos.
original. Yeah, get the original one. You got the other one. What's that? Delta cream.
No, I don't
I've got
really
that
think
bag.
What? Yeah.
Ma, can I have this?
As long as you eat, Baba. As long you eat it.
What about can I eat?
Take it home, and who's gonna eat it?
Dad,
If they're not gonna eat it now, here.
what about TV snacks?
Chips. We need chips.
Dad, I got 2 bags. $1.50. Wait, no. I did.
Siya yung ano namin.
I did some tuna.
Yeah.
Which one?
Brine. Get the brine one. You don't want the oil? You want the oil or brine? Brine is
What
good.
is smoke?
Smoky taste.
I'll get one of them.
Here, you like onion?
No, it's the tomato.
Tomato.
The normal one.
Normal.
Spring water.
You want mayo? We can get the little mayo. The quick Kewpie. Just get a couple na, Kuya.
I'll get 2 of those.
Huh? Yeah. And then, kuha tayo ng Kewpie na mayonnaise. Wow. Pancit. Wow, what do you want? Churros.
Oh, pancake?
No. Get some, sa chips. Doritos, han. Walang mali. For school, what's that one?
You can just eat it, but
Ah, yeah. But that's not healthy na. Ah.
Mom, you like that? You get them cheap food. You get it for $1.
Where's the spicy one? Oh, vinegar. Sila yung kumukuha kung anong gusto nila. Nakasunod lang ako sa kanila. Hindi ako nakakuha ng Doritos. Yeah, good. You like that?
just ate them.
Yeah, but I need cracker.
Can you get
Go on.
Get one.
Gusto raw ito ni Kuya. Go get five. Okay, go get one. Oh my God, you like that? No, Kuya, no spam. Or get the leg ham. That one is good. No, that one is good too. Let me see around spam. There, Han, where's the... What? For 2 years? Alright, go Kuya. For there!
Which one? The normal
Where's
one?
all the... Where you get the cheese? Yeah, get the normal one, yeah. You don't want the spicy one. You want... 2 years na raw siya. Kasi hindi ako bumibili niyan eh, yung spam. With eggs and fried rice, yeah. You're welcome.
Yeah, this costs like over $500.
$500 na raw yung babayaran. Apa na sila? Hinahanap niyo dyan yung butter. Ayan, the small one. You want the small one there, Beb? Oh. It's up to you. That's your butter. Okay.
You get that one. No, that's right.
Get that one sack.
Give it to me.
Yeah, no. The Mildura one, hun. The orange mango, hun. Kuya wants something for lunch. Oh, namahalan si Kuya. It's up to you, whatever. Ang cute ng mga anak kong boys. Concern na concern sila sa mga presyo. Okay. Kasi ito yung kinukuha ko sa kanya. $11.95. Yung Muscle Chef. Ito, $8. $8.50. Yeah, okay, Kuya. Whatever you want. That's pancit. I'm gonna make pancit.
Alright, one. Now get teriyaki.
That one, Kuya. That's good.
Rogan Josh.
This one. Remember we had that in the... Try that one.
We're not getting dough.
It's alright. Go, Kuya. Yeah.
And when we come back next time.
Yeah. Try that one. Nag-ano sila ng presyo. Akala mo naman sila yung magbabayad. Ang cute kasi at least alam nila, 'di ba? Alam nila kung ano yung mahal at saka hindi.
So I'm gonna run over.
Here's the Doritos. I want. No.
The yellow one?
Olive oil, Holly.
Yeah.
There you go. Olive oil lang kasi ang ginagamit ko ngayon. Well, last year pa. Or before pa. Hoy, Sak, don't leave your cart. Aluminum hand. Do you think we need a little toilet paper, Bev? Or we can still ask? Okay. Where's the aluminum, Bev? No. We have big one there. Come on. What? Did you get the sock? You want that one? I have at home. Yes, I do. Yeah, I do. You like it? No, not that one. I have at home. It's gonna be sticky, like sticky, not sticky. Hold this now, yeah. What? What's that?
Sea salt sponge.
Oh. What? Why? Alright, I will help you.
I don't even know what to put.
Put the cold one first.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
behind, as if the past could teach me what I'd like to find.
Coffee, kuya. Coffee, there's coffee.
The morning moves her colors soft across the floor. I try to hold the moments, learning more and more. The lightest touch from you is all I can afford, and hope that what I give is something you can adore. And all this time I wonder, am I getting closer to you, getting closer to you? After all this time, have you made up your mind? And all this time, I wonder, am I getting closer to you, getting closer to you? After all.
You don't have to get the water out there, Chris. I know that. I know.
No, you have not smelled.
I know. Yes, please. Thank you.
All this time, have you made up your mind?
Not that.
This is texturizer. And you only have to put that little.
Tomorrow
That's
feels like
texture.
sunlight, warmer than before. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm wanting more.
That water you don't have to drop.
Turning though I've left some things behind, and maybe now I'm closer to what I left behind.
Tell you got water. Thank you. What do you want? You don't want pancit? Mommy's cooking. Oh, no one's like pancit. Alright, okay. So, meron tayong pork belly. Kuha rin ako ng 5 pieces na burgers. Thank you. That's it. Thank you. Where is it, Saf? Here? Punta kami ng Reject Shop. Pa doon sa Loli's. Sa Dilimon. Uwian na yung mga bata ko. Yung mga anak ko, pinaalam naman natin sila. One of each. I will bring it home. I like that one.
We have some here though.
So we got the tropical fruit and what's that one?
The mixed fruits.
Mixed fruit. Okay. Put it in. So, can I borrow your phone, please?
Big rain.
Make it up.
Here's over.
Oh my god.
Put the water sack.
Holly, get up here, please.
No, just push it in, sack. Yeah, you can. Just push it. The water first, then.
Can you get up here, please?
Can you hold this?
Then push all the bags.
Dad.
Although I haven't tried it for ages now. This
Where's the mate now?
right here?
Did you get the hamburger plate?
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
You got more than 5.
No, 5 only.
Banana? Yep,
Don't forget that aluminum
hello, mate.
tray, kuya.
Anywhere, put there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, would have been.
Ay, dito na ulit tayong init sa labas. And bukas, uulan, pero mainit pa din yung weather. Bye. Swimming na sila.
I'll eat this, so I'll help.
How about you, kuya? You're happy, mommy?
Love you, Mom.
Ayan. Cereal.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Bye.
Mwah. Are you coming?
Are you going, Han?
Oh, okay.
Si Jan, sama yung mga
You
bata.
can cook those hamburgers anytime, so
Ha?
you can cook them hamburgers when you're ready. Doesn't matter if they're cold.
Alright. Do you want me to cook it? Lutuin ko daw anytime na ready na ako yung kanya. Alright. Put away ko lang mga biscuits. Yun na. Saan mo na ito ilalagay mga to? Dun sa taas meron. Mga fruit salad. Peach and mango na roll up. Jats. Kasi si Kuya gusto niya yung cheese na kinuha ko kanina. Pinakita ko yun sa inyo. Arnott's yung raspberry. Isa ko ba ng Kim Kang. At Kuya hindi sumama. And, ano to? Double stuff. Oreo. May cream egg. Bumili kami ng isa pang bag kasi hindi kasya yung bag namin. Dala ko yung lahat ng bag. Yung malalaki. Hindi na kasya dun. And gusto daw nila to for snacks pero hindi ako bibili. Meron ito sa Coles at saka sa Woolies. Hindi ko talaga binibili. Yung noodles na pwedeng kainin. Yung parang fried. No, fried siya. Kuya. Hindi ko yung bibili. Si Kuya kumuha nito kasi ang tagal niya na raw hindi nakakain ng Indomie. And, ayan ako. Tayong Doritos. Tin. And nacho cheese. Bago to ng Arnott's. And yung original. Masarap.
I don't really like these anymore.
Ha?
I don't really like these anymore.
You don't like it?
Not anymore.
Yeah. Nung mga bata
Zach,
sila,
no,
binilang ko sila, pero hindi, minsan lang, si Kuya hindi niya gusto. That's good, Kuya. Sisak na lang. oil para bukas sa breakfast. And yung tuna ni Kuya. Sa atin tuna dito, parang pangalan ko yung sinasabi nila pag bumibili ako kumakain sila. Ma'am, can I have tuna? How you pronounce it, Kuya? Tuna.
When do you think?
Oh, yeah, you can have that one, the hot dog.
When did you get it?
Yesterday. Sa atin tuna.
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 Tuna. Chona na lang, chona.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me.
Coffee. Daddy's coffee.
This is a dirty one.
Si Jan kumuha ng isa, ha? Ito yung chicken. Nakpan yung pangalan niya, guys, na naka-sale siya.
I'm gonna have that
46,
one.
ha? This one?
This one.
Naka-sale, 646.
Later.
Alright. More
And
coffee.
tuna and stuff.
I think I put it.
No, like, and then after I'll have tuna.
Alright. Sige, kuya, kahit ano. Ayan yung lollies, yung dilimon kung sa Bicol, ang lasa niya, dilimon. Na eto, gagamitin ko to today. Here, kuya. Ito para bukas.
Put this
Ito
over
para sa pansit, ha? Okay, yeah, just put it there so you can see it. And milk. And orange, mango. Mango orange. Wala sila yung Mildura na kinukuha na. Wala. Wala yung aking braso. Kumuha si Kuya ng peaches. Gusto niya. Kuya, put this in the fridge.
I'll have spam tomorrow.
Spam tomorrow. Okay, Daddy wants bacon and eggs. Ikaw, spam and
Egg
egg
and rice.
and rice. Okay. How many years you haven't
So,
Ha? 2 years na siya hindi nakakain ng spam kaya kailangan silang bilhin namin yung spam. Kawawa naman kuya. 2 years na siya hindi nakakain ng spam. This one pa yan. And that is coffee. And ito pa yung isa. Parang gusto ko ng try. Ano to? Mixed fruit. Okay. Tapos ang cute ang jar niya, babasagin. Sabi ko, kung hindi siya masarap, pero masarap to. Kasi nakatikim na ako nito last time. Hard lollies to eh. Tapos airtight pa siya. Oh, bango. Ayan yung bilog, oh. Diba parang dilimon. Sa atin lang maraming asukal. Ito wala. Bilog sa ibabaw, tapos yung ilalim flat. Sarap. Parang kasi siyang dilimon. Sarap. Okay, kuya. My corn, put that there please in the fridge. And potatoes. Just under, kuya. Yung fridge namin, wala siya yung drawer sa ilalim. Nabasa ko siya. Last year pa, wala. Garlic. And one more. Okay. And your food, kuya. Ito yung teriyaki chicken. Is this ready, yeah? Oh, yeah.
no, you microwave it.
Okay. Ito yung
And
favorite
you put
na
holes in it.
bacon ni dyan, yung parts na ganito. Ako lang, gusto ko yung may taba, yung streaky bacon yata ang tawag niya. Si Jan, gusto niya itong shortcut. What? Cheese. Ayan yung cheese. Baby Bell. Woolies brand. Hindi. Sorry. Baby Bell. Sa Woolies. Then, si Holly, na-try niya to. And pinatry niya sa daddy niya. Itong Gippsland na ang flavor is Oh, yeah, splits. Okay. What flavor is this? Apple, custard, twist yogurt. Twist yogurt. So, yeah. Apple, custard, twist yogurt. Madam. Yeah. Nagustuhan to ni Jan, itong apple custard na to. So, kumuha sila ng 3. O, 4. Yeah. Put it there. And si Kuya... this is saccharin.
mango.
Next time sa grocery ko, kukuha daw akong ganitong yogurt. Ayaw na nila yung yogurt na mga binibili ko dati. Pang big boy na yung yogurt nila. Butter, Vega cheese, and more cheese. And then this, kay John, chocolate. Okay, yan. So ngayon, put away. Well, at least, na-put away na ni Kuya halos. Thanks, Kuya. Magluluto na ako ng aking pancit, saka yung kay Johnny Boy na request yung dinner niya. Kuya, the bacon. And i-charge ko din to kasi pa, ano na kayo, red na kayo.
What's that? Fruit roll.
Fridge. Okay, thank you.
Is this fruit?
Yes, yes.
I want one.
Yeah. Dalawang pesos from Binilida. Etong lolis na to, hindi ko ito ilalagay dito sa ano. Kasi may kita to ng mga bata. Delikado to sa mga bata. Ako ang motibo ng malunok habang nagsasalita. So, wag natin ipakita sa mga bata. Ah, tama.
I know.
Yeah, show it. Here, please. Show them. Sa mga hindi lang alam. Show it, kuya. Okay. You're gonna peel the red. Yeah, no. Okay. Ang ganda ni Kuya, look at you. Kaya ako sumandal ng ganito sa kanya. Yeah, show it. Say hi naman niya. Try! Yeah, good. Can I have a bite? Just a little bit. It's just like the steak, Kuya. You know? But this is creamy.
Lipstick.
Pinunasan niya may lipstick. Ang sarap ng combination ng lolis tsaka cheese. Sarap! Yeah. Big boy na ang kuya ko. Kuya, what's...
I'm not.
You're having it now? Si Kuya kakain na siya. Ito pa pala yung Kirk's na pasito. Masarap to, guys. Gusto ko rin to. Pag ganito lang. Pero pag sabay, hindi ako bumibili. Si pasito. Ano siya? Yung passion fruit. Lagay mo to sa ref, Kuya. Okay, magluto na ako.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing.
Hot. Dito na sila, guys. And luto na yung burgers.
Oh, yes, that's right.
It's ready. Eat now while it's still hot. And there's ants, man. Lots of black ants.
Where?
Here.
Yeah,
That's why I removed the bread.
Put the stuff up here in the cupboards.
Yeah. So linagay ko dito yung tinapay kasi may mga
Only like the stuff they can't like.
no
stuff here,
sweets,
put in
no
the cupboard,
sweets.
look.
Yeah. No, this it's full, babe. Wala na akong ano. What?
These ones here are.
Where?
For Dad.
Ah, okay.
Is
Wala
that
pa
our
naman.
pan?
Ha?
Is that our
Yeah,
pan?
this is our pan na kilala ni Kuya.
No, Mom,
Doon pala
I
wala.
might Mom, I might not have mayo, tuna and rice because one day.
Alright, Kuya. Nakalimutan ko yung mayo.
Right, let's get a
Kuya, help me, Kuya. Put this one there. Oh,
Can you
because
cook
there's
an egg
ants.
for me?
Eggs?
Just an egg. Hard yolk, please.
Okay.
Hey,
Diyan, kuya. Put it properly, please.
you did.
Because I'm gonna have one over one.
Okay. This all food.
See
This one, all the biscuits and that bread too.
The cheese, I see. I know.
I rang Dan, start with Dan.
Kaya na sila guys, ako wala pa kasi lulutuin ko pa lang yung pansit. Pinapakulang ko pa yung ano. Pinapalambot ko pa yung pork. Si Kuya, second, Kuya had Woolies food. And now, he's having mi goreng. And si Sak. Yung pansit ko wala pa guys kasi pinapalambot ko pa nga yan. Oh. Sila patapos na silang kumain. Okay, nakamalambot na. Wala silang shopping board.
What flavor?
Mango. Reserve na sila ako, wala pang kain. Well, except dun sa kinain natin dun sa kung saan kami nag-stop. Oh, alis na naman sila. Silang nasa holiday, si Mami hindi. Ba, ayan. Nag-text ako kila Race na sabi ko walang shopping board dito. Magdala silang shopping board. If kaya. Kasi wala. mahirap raw mag-chop. Etong gagamitin ko. Kanya pa ako hanap ng hanap. And si Jan tinulungan ako ni Sak. Inulit-ulit na namin. Sila rin. After kong tingnan si Jan, tinignan si Sak, tinignan. Alam niyo naman si Sak. Okay. Chop ko na to. Paraos ko yung paghihiwa ng mga gulay dito sa plato. 2 carrots yung dala ko. Pero isa na lang gagamitin ko. Kasi wala. Nakakatakot ihiwa to kasi matigas. Finally, naluto na yung ating pansit. Ito, liver. Unang subo. Kain ako and ito yung pinaka-late kong kain. 9. Kaya siya na yung vlog natin.
Guys, night. Please like, please subscribe, maybe let's see you next one.
Wait, I'm gonna... Nakapag-skincare na pala tayo and tutulog na ako. So yun na yung vlog natin guys. Thank you.
Please like, please subscribe, maybe let's see you next one. Bye.
Bye, good night. Are you waiting for Taj? Ha? Hintay niya si Taj kasi in-invite niya dito matulog kasi nasa camper van sila. Ang init-init. So sabi ni Jan, pwede dito matulog si Taj dun sa taas. Ngayong gabi. Alright guys, good night. Nagbe-berry glow ako.
Time